Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to a new video of weekly embroidery series. In today's video, I will be making this sleeve by using long and short stitches, and I have made this sleeve by using three different colors, and I am really looking forward to share the tutorial of how to make this sleeve with you. So let's begin. Firstly, I will do the sketching part. I am sketching with a waterproof pen. You can make your sketch with pencil as well. I just sketched this leaf and this part is looking a bit emptier to me, so I just add a small notch over here as well. And now the stitching part. For that, first thread your needle and tie the knot at the end of your thread like this. And let's begin stitching. I am using a darker shade of green for the inside of the leaf. We will make the long and short stitch throughout the vein of our leaf. To secure our thread, we will just pass our needle like this and cut the remaining end of the thread and we are good to move forward. Now we will rethread our needle and start working on the other side of the vein in the similar way. Start taking long and short stitches like this and we will continue doing it to the top of our vein. We are done with the first layer of our leaf and look how beautiful it is looking. And now it's time to add on the second color. I am using a lighter shade of green and will do the long and short stitch in a similar way and fill up the remaining spaces. We are done working on one side of our leaf and look at the texture. And in a similar way, we will do the second part of the leaf as well. And it's done. I similarly did the long and short stitch on the other side of the leaf as well. And now it's time to add on our third color to the leaf. And for that I am using a bright orange. Initially I decided to do the orange part on the top of the leaf only. That's why I just leave the small portion on the top of the leaf. But later I decided to do the red part on the whole leaf. You will see me adding these later in this video. And this is the most beautiful thing about the art, that we can do addition or subtraction to our art pieces according to our desires. And we are done with our orange part. And this was the moment I realized that I should add the orange part on the whole leaf. Do let me know in the comment section that what was your preference. Do you like the orange part on the top of the leaf only, or do you like my preference of doing the orange part to the whole leaf? Love to have your feedback. And now it's time to continue adding the red part to the whole leaf. I am really loving this hoop. I really like the pop of orange on this hoop. I hope you enjoyed this video as I really enjoy making this hoop and have learned something new today. I would love to see you again in my future videos, and if you liked my content, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video, and please leave a lovely comment for me as well. Now, I would love to see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.